Welcome to this explainer. Let's just jump right in, because today we're diving into a genuinely staggering scientific reality. That everyday experience of the world you're having right this very second, the room around you, the screen in front of you, the chair you're sitting on, it's actually merely a survival-based illusion. What we consider to be absolute reality is, well, it's a highly sophisticated architecture of perception. And today, we're going to explore exactly how our brains might be pulling off this ultimate magic trick.
Section 1. The Grand Hallucination. Inside your skull. You are currently hallucinating. Now I want you to imagine a rhythmic heartbeat echoing in a completely pitch-black space. Just take a moment to really visualize that total darkness, because deep inside a vault of solid bone, your skull, your brain is sitting in absolute darkness. It's actively generating the reality you think you're experiencing right now. Your brain isn't actually seeing the world directly. It's trapped in a dark room, furiously translating incoming electrical signals into a vibrant, immersive hallucination. Crazy, right? Think about the world you see around you. Bustling, noisy cities, lush green forests, maybe even breathtaking images of distant nebulas in space. Now compare that to the reality inside your skull. Inside that bone vault, there is zero light. There is absolutely no sound. There is only raw data, just electrical impulses traveling along nerve fibers. Your brain basically takes that silent, dark data stream and somehow paints the vibrant universe you walk through every single day.
Moving on to Section 2, the biological desktop, a survival interface.
Think about your computer's desktop for a second. When you drag a file to the trash can, you aren't literally throwing away a tiny piece of plastic, right? You know the folder isn't actually a little blue rectangle sitting inside your monitor. It's just a simplified graphic that hides unimaginably complex circuitry, code, and microscopic transistors. While human vision works exactly the same way. We perceive a user interface designed by evolution. It's literally a biological desktop. Your vision is simply a survival map meant to keep you alive, helping you find food and avoid danger. It is absolutely not designed to show you the underlying, complex truth of quantum reality.
Which brings us to Section 3, the illusion of touch. Zooming to atoms. Have you ever actually touched anything? I mean, you might think you're resting your hands on a desk right now, or holding a phone, or feeling the fabric of your clothes. But if we were to zoom in on your hand reaching for a table, going all the way down to the atomic level, science tells us a completely different, totally mind-bending story. What you experience and feel as solid is just an illusion. It's created by the electromagnetic repulsion of atoms. See, the atoms in your fingertips and the atoms in the table are surrounded by electron clouds, and those clouds actually repel each other. They maintain this microscopic gap that never ever closes, meaning from a strictly physics standpoint, you have never truly physically touched a single thing in your entire life. So technically speaking, the last time you stubbed your toe, you just fiercely repelled the coffee table's atoms.
And now, Section 4, the quantum void, 99.9% empty space.
99.9%. That is the staggering amount of empty space that makes up matter. Science reveals that the seemingly solid matter making up your body, the device in front of you, and the entire physical universe around you is overwhelmingly composed of absolutely nothing. To put that into perspective, if you were to somehow remove all the empty space from the atoms of every single human being on Earth, the entire human race could fit into the volume of a single sugar cube. No way, right? But it's true.
This leaves us with a pretty staggering realization about our physical existence. We are essentially ghosts inhabiting a vacuum. Because of our brain's brilliant survival map, that biological desktop we talked about earlier, we are completely convinced of our own solidity. We navigate a world of 99.9% empty space using an interface of hallucinated light and sound, entirely shielded from the strange, empty reality of the quantum universe.
So, I want to leave you with this final provocative question to ponder. Is everything you feel an illusion? What does it actually mean for your daily life, your decisions, and your whole perspective to exist in a universe where everything you see, hear, and feel is just an illusion crafted by your brain? Just think about the sheer magnitude of the grand hallucination you call life the next time you look up at the sky or quote-unquote touch the world around you. I really encourage you to keep questioning the reality right in front of you. Thank you so much for